Very calm and sit in a comfortable position. See, people who are unable to sit down, they can use the chair or they can sit on a sofa also. If they are unable to move around, they can sit on the bed or on the sofa also. But focus, your spine should not be down. You will be lifting your spine. The process of lifting your spine is you are broadening your shoulders. 1. Second, chest will be out, expanded ribs. 3. Your stomach will be pulled inside. And 4. There is 1 inch gap from the bottom, that is your anal region towards the floor. So maintain this posture. Ready? Now we shall go. Closed eyes. We are going to focus on Sheetali Pranayam, the first variation. In this one, you are going to roll your tongue in a cylindrical shape like this and slightly take your tongue outside. Okay? So inhalation from the mouth. So you are going to inhale from the like O shape, the straw shape. Inhale from your mouth and close your mouth. Rest your tongue down. Exhale from the nostrils. Just have a look here. Slowly exhale. So it should go like this. I did not lift my body up nor I brought it down. It is supposed to be stretched in this posture. Maintain this posture. Ready? Come on. I'll continue for 3 rounds. Just have a look here. So this is first one, Sheetali Pranayam. Focus, your breath should be as slow as you can. And try maintaining the posture, which is very important for your nerves to open up. If you are unable to roll your tongue in the cylindrical shape, you can make your lips into O shape. Straw size again. Same way, inhale, then close your lips, exhale from the nostrils. One I'll show you. Okay, this is only a substitute. If you are unable to roll the tongue in a cylindrical shape, go for that.